Hi everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. In this video we are going to braid these beautiful ribbons. Take 3 pieces and then start braiding it like this. We have to do it like we do with our hair. We have to take these 3 portions and start folding them like this, and look, it is almost ready now. Then we are going to tie the thread at the end like this, and braided ribbon we are going to put it on this white hairband and decorate it like this. We are going to paste it from one side, also put hot glue gun for more stability. Then we are going to spread this glue on the band like this and paste the ribbon like we are doing here. Also we are going to paste it from other side as well for more stability, and look, it is ready. Now cut the remaining portion and look, your hairband is ready. You can make more such hairbands. Look at the bunch of hairbands here. Let's decorate this hairband. We are going to tie a knot at the center like this. We are using a blue cloth here. You can use whatever color you like. Now we are going to fix the ends. Put hot glue gun on the hairband and paste the cloth like this. We are also pasting another piece at the end for more stability, and look, it is ready. We are going to do the same from other side as well like this. We are going to squeeze the end and fix it like this, and look, it is almost ready. You can make more such hairbands by this technique. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.